Hello, I'm JSD, and in today's video, instead of showing you shadow seeds, which basically the title has, I'm going to show you about shadow numbers and magnet numbers. So basically what they are, a magnet number is basically a seed that a shadow number would revert to. So if you type in the shadow number, it's going to revert to the magnet number because the magnet number is attracting all that same values. And here I have an example of Jasper's world, where here if I input the magnet number, it will, or shadow number, it will output the magnet number right here. And actually to do this trick, because in chunk base it's really inconsistent, I had to load up this seed first and then I typed in this, and then of course of laziness it decides to go to this one. So yeah, it was a bit easier on that part. And I'm trying to show here basically what Minecraft would do. If you type in this, it would just end up to this seed. So um, yeah, it's basically what Bedrock does. And right here, I'm showing you what would happen if you just type in this raw. It would show, the original seed, basically the same one, without magneting to this one. And as you can see, if I just click through both of them, they're literally the exact same seed. So there's probably something going on behind where it's just this number is just like have the same values as it, because it literally produces the same exact biomap. So, and to prove that I'm not lying and that this is like um, a string binary thing, here I put up just JST, and here it shows the string transformation to the number. And to show you how easy it is to find these magnet seeds, I pulled up here, I just typed in some random numbers, and I found a magnet number immediately. So now we are in Minecraft. So I'm going to load up the world, basically copy and paste it. And for reasons due to my OBS, um, I'm just going to rename the world because every time I try viewing it through UI format, it does not work. So I'm just going to name it Shadow, I guess. So basically what's going to happen is this seed, which is the shadow number, will become the magnet number. So let's just create it and then leave the world right after. It's going to take like 10 seconds, so there's no cuts. So I'm in the world. It's probably really laggy for you guys right now because every time I open the UI, it's just really bad frames. So here's the world shadow. I'm going to go edit. And if I scroll down, as you can see, it's the magnet number. I learned about this when I was using an MBT editor. I got it on my phone, and when I looked at the seed of the world, it was not 12543442223 like what I thought. It was the 30401 that I typed in earlier, and I was so confused. I was like, "Whoa, does like Bedrock have shadow seeds now?" I was doing some testing. I showed you guys one time on camera this. It was in my latest Jasper's World episode. On I said I was in the shadow version of my world, and it showed this. I was still new to it. I didn't go really into depth of what was going on. I still don't know what's going on. I just know, okay, I know what's going on, but I don't know how it's happening, like that. So like, yeah, I didn't know like what was going on, but now I do. So yeah, it was just really weird. I thought it was like some like Bedrock Shadow Seed thing. I was like gonna research it later. So now I'm here, months later. Um, I basically sort of, know that shadow numbers exist. And magnet numbers are the ones that they're playable. So the magnet ones are the playable ones. The shadow ones are the unplayable ones because they will always get redirected. Even if you do a string conversion, it will probably always go to the magnet number. It's just really weird to know about this, just the because you know that there's going to be like there's less playable seeds than you thought. It's just, I mean, it's not like I want to play on every seed because I don't need to basically, but it's just really just like weird. I don't know if it's a bug. I don't know if it's an intended feature. I don't know if this is already aware of because I searched something like this up. I don't know. So I'm just gonna bring it up now. Um, shadow number, magnet number, and you can't play on basically shadow number seeds. And I guess that wraps up the thing for this video. I think just one, just slight minor detail that just could be come in handy a bit later. The terrain and everything is exactly the same because I actually tried it out one time, but that was in really old version, like 1.14ish. I actually got it to upload. Um, I was able to play on those shadow seeds, but of course of 1.16. Also, I deleted the worlds too because of storage on my phone. Basically, I lost them. And what I found interesting, was of course the terrain and biome layout was exactly the same, but there was one thing that was the strongholds. Those were located in two different areas between the shadow and the magnet. So I was just pretty, just like confused and thought I would go back to it later. But now in 1.16, I can't even play on the shadow numbers anymore. So it's basically become like a new fact almost. So I don't know how biome generation works on Bedrock, but all I can say is that yeah, we have less playable seeds. So for like any like explorer or speedrunner or seed finder, yeah. So hope this comes well, especially in the technical community, to see like what this can do. But Bedrock code digging doesn't really exist, so I don't know what we can do with this information. All I just hope is that this information is useful somehow. So thank you guys for watching. I'd appreciate if you comment and just think of what you or just say what you think about this found that I discovered. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.